What's good? What's good? What's good? In here with another one. Up here at the Good Guys Car Show, Scottsdale, Arizona. Okay, take y'all through. Y'all see where I'm at. Big boy airplane hangar. See it? They got the vendor set up. Everything in here. They got the vendor set up. Toys. All of that, man. It's nice in here. This is just the first setup. This is the inside. So I'm gonna walk y'all through this inside and let y'all see how it's really looking. So you want a frame off job? That's how it look. You see how much you're gonna spend? That's just a demo. Everything new. A lot of everything over here. Everything. Auto glass, rechrome. CBD, what they doing in here? Whatever. Crash company. The church is in here. Church folks. Have you parked your spot in heaven? I know that's right. T-shirts. Fireman, fire team. Some collectibles. See the collectibles. Cadillac, that's me. Mopar, no car. Route 66, famous. Cardinals gear. Raiders gear. Got a lot of Raiders fans here. A lot of Cowboys fans. LA Rams. LA Dodgers for sure. San Francisco for sure. They always here. Woo-wee. So, you know, this is just the inside right here, y'all. As soon as I step outside this door right here, I'm gonna take y'all out here and give y'all a look. All right, let's go. Showing out for Ohio. Showing out for Ohio. Look, y'all, then he got done. He just tore it up, was out there running, and then he put the little covers back on it, man. I know y'all want to see this G-Body run. I know y'all want to see this G-Body run. I'm going to cut him back on as soon as he take off. He the one I'm waiting on right here. boy, that thing sound like he cooking popcorn back there, boy. He the loudest thing in the parking lot. I know his neighbors be pissed when he start that car up. That's ridiculous. I'm not even gonna lie, that's just waking up the whole neighborhood. That's waking up 3-4 neighborhoods hearing that. I'm trying to tell you, that thing loud, boy. I'm trying to get away from it, it's so loud. Nice Camaro with the LS3. See you over there. Oh my gosh, I can't get away from him. He won't cut that car off. Can't get away from him, y'all. Speed performance. Looks like they got coilovers and stuff. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he ain't playing. So if y'all want some performance parts, suspension parts, Speed Tech is the way to go. They look like they know what they're really doing. You know? They really look like they know what they doing, boy. They look like they got suspension on deck. Let's see. I definitely need me a business card. Yep. Give me 2 of them. River Road, George, Utah. Okay. They came out with the big truck, so they're not playing, y'all. Gotta give me some pieces. I'm gonna order me a few nice pieces, especially the suspension, man. Definitely order me some suspension. See, they got Chevy out here. They selling out the crate LS motors. You ain't even got to go to the junkyard no more. You can just come get it right here. LS3. Oh yeah, this is what I want right here. This is the one mostly in them Camaros. I want that right there. Supercharged LT4 ain't looking too bad either. I'm not gonna lie. Chevy doing that. Dang! They got the 4L80s, 4L60s. What's this? Oh, a 6L80. MSRP $5,000. I've never seen this transmission before. This is definitely different. And see, they got it all, man. Just what I said, LT1. ZL1. Ooh, excuse me. LT1, that's disrespectful. ZL1, the big dog. The big dog. Batmobile status. So this is designer street rods. And they sell brakes. They got the big boy bear brakes. Designer street rods. Gotta give me a business card. 706 in Georgia. In Georgia, definitely. Yes, sir. What is this? Look, he ain't got no power steering. Look how he turning that thing. Wonder what's going on over here.
The race cars? So what we did here, we had a 1947. So we finally got a Zephyr. We finally get to screw one up, and you guys get to be the first ones to see it. So the back half of this is a 54 pound Ford truck. So we grafted them together And because it's Speedway Motors and Gotham Garage, what we decided to do was make half the car Speedway Motors and the other half full-on Gotham Garage. So what you're going to get is a fusion of both companies, and I think we pretty much hit the nail on the head. I'm very proud of my entire crew. I want to thank you very much. And right now I'm going to have Tinkerbell and Tony get the park up right so you can see it.
Gotta get in there.
I'm the one that did 100. I'm the first one. And I was the second one for 100. Trying to make sure you was coming with me.
Yeah? You're living in a cold state, right? Okay, we're good. I didn't run on the cold. I know you live it.
Hi.
Watch your show. Nice to meet you.
Hi. Hello. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We like to have a good time, you know, do something a little different.
You guys are in Temecula, right?
Yes, so we made the travel. It wasn't too bad, 5 hours. As long as you don't hit traffic.
Peace in the world, everybody! Yeah, peace! It's God knows.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. Oh my gosh, a lot of Ohio people out here, ain't it? So, they was unveiling a car, and I don't know what TV show they was from or whatever, but I guess they was from somebody's TV show, and one of them short bed trucks, and they was showing a new car project that they had did, man, and I don't know what to think about it. I don't know what it was really, so I can't really say nothing. But yeah, so that's what that was. You know, it takes a lot of work. A lot of work, man. A lot of work. A lot of determination, a lot of manpower, a lot of muscle. So ooh, a Summit catalog. Ha! Look what we got. Big boy Summit truck. So that's gonna be the end of this video, man. You can see part one. You know, there's so much more to see that I haven't even covered yet, and man, it's just too much to cover. So I'm just gonna keep vlogging and keep shooting, man. Just keep shooting. I'm gonna keep shooting till I can't shoot no more. But this is gonna be the end of the video though, because I'm gonna probably keep the rest of the footage for myself. I need some footage for myself to keep. You know what I'm saying? Besides whatever y'all see on YouTube, I need to keep my own footage too. So that's what I'm gonna do, man. Keep walking around. My feet tired. I'm a little tired, but it's all good. It's definitely all good. It's a good place to be. See, they got a Challenger for sale. It's just, overall, man, it's just too much, man. Man, good Lord. Boy, tune on 24s. Be out this thing.